Hello, welcome to Project Management Software tutorial. Today we'll be looking at implementation of team entity. And first, I'm going to create a new branch. So I'm going to call this new branch team entity. I'll click create. So now under entities, I'm going to right click. I'm going to add a new class. The name of this class will be team. I click add. This is my implementation for team. So there are 9 errors to be fixed. Let's begin to look at the implementation of team that I've done. Beginning for the very top. So this class represents a team of members working together on projects. So the team has a name, the team has a description. We have a GUID for the team member. Then we have a team leader ID. We have a string for the team leader name, the department the team belongs to, whether the team is active, the maximum number of members allowed in the team, then list of team members ID, list of projects the team is working on. Then we have computed properties like the current number of team members, whether the team is at capacity, their number of active projects, whether the team has a team lead. Then we have the constructor region. So the first issue we need to fix is we need to create team created event. So view, solution explorer. Under events folder, I'm going to say add new class, team created event. Then I'll click add. So now this is team created event. Let me add comment to this. So here is the same class. Now commented. That's the team created event as commented now. So I need to I need to create a new domain event called team lead assigned event. So the rain has stopped. I just implemented team member removed event. So we have this method to assign a team to a project. While a team is being assigned to a project, we are going to raise domain event called team assigned to project event. So here is my implementation for team assigned to project event. We have the method which removes a team from a project. So here is my implementation for team removed from project event. In the team class, we have a method that activates the team, and this method checks if a team has been activated so that will not be activated twice. So after the team is activated, domain event is raised. The name of domain event is team activated event. So let's create team activated event class. So now this is my implementation for team activated event. So I'm back to team class. So we also have this method that deactivates the team, takes an optional reason why the team was deactivated as parameter. So sorry, let's implement team deactivated event. So here is the complete implementation for team deactivated event. Back to team class. We have a method called as member, which checks if a member belongs to the team. We have another method which checks if a team is assigned to a particular project. Then we have this method that gets available capacity for new members. So with that, I've come to the end of implementation of team entity. Thank you for watching.